Hello, my friends. Welcome to week 4. It's Beth here again. We're getting toward the end of our first month of winter term 2019, and we're moving toward our first real complete essay. We have been looking very closely at articles, doing a lot of close reading, looking to analyze how your author is creating an argument, and now we're going to continue that a little bit more specifically. You'll look in resources. I am putting down some pretty important things for you to look at. There are many ways to present an argument. You can do it through humor, you can do it through numbers, you can do it through diagrams, pictures, videos. You can appeal to sources. But way back in ancient Greece, Aristotle said there are basically only 3 ways to present a thesis: ethos, logos, and pathos. You see that right here: ethos, logos, and pathos. Ethos is using ethics or principles. Good people do this. Logos is using logic, reasoning. It's practical to do it. And pathos is using, it comes from the same root word as, actually pathetic and sympathy. It's feelings. It's appealing to the emotions. Now, these overlap, but I want to make sure that you have a firm grasp of them this week. So, for instance, if somebody is trying to convince you to contribute money to the homeless, an ethos argument would be: good people do this. This is for principle's sake or religious reasons. Logos would be: it's practical to donate money to the homeless because it helps society overall. It's a good use of your money. And pathos probably would be dependent on some picture of somebody looking a very sympathetic character who is homeless. Please donate money so that this child can eat. Here in resources, I've got places where you can look at these more carefully. Rhetorical terms from the Purdue On Writing Lab. Then I've got a nice little video here you might want to look at if you remember the presidential debates of 2016 between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. This person goes through them and shows all the different persuasion techniques that each one of them uses. It is bipartisan. You might get upset, but on both sides, I promise you. And then I'm giving you one of those quizzes, not graded, of course, just to see if you probably enjoy it, just to see if you understand what these are. As always, I've given you the composition and grammar resources categorized by topics. If you're still having trouble with sentence structure, I advise you to look at these. I've got 2 things. We've got the same structure as last week. You don't have anything due on Wednesday. We do not have a forum. We do have a rhetorical exercise that's due on Friday. I'll probably post another video specifically for that. It's on the ethos, logos, pathos, making sure you understand those. And then you've got an essay that's due on Sunday, close to midnight, which will be taking another article by your columnist and showing how that columnist presents the argument. Your thesis will be: so-and-so argues this by this technique. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.